So today we're making beef empanadas.
Usually, depending on what labs we're doing, we'll do like 1 to 2 labs a week.
Chef really helps us learn the parts of the kitchen, and she makes learning fun. Almost every week we're learning like a new type of food and culture.
We go over a different type of cooking style or cuts or something that we'll be using throughout the rest of the week.
We either do sweet or savory, depending on what we do first.
I got Surf Safe certified, which helped me get my restaurant job.
We talk about cross-contamination, cross-contact, and the difference between them.
The temperature danger zone. Ways to make simple foods look fancy and put together.
Cutting meats and vegetables and fruit.
Cooking in a certain time period and working together as a group.
It provided me a community which we learned communication.
Probably like one of the best classes you'll have when it comes to making friends, social interactions. It's just a really good fundamental skill to know and have.